Hi guys, a very warm welcome. That's Praveen and I'm Mehak here. And today we're doing a really quick smoothie for you. So it just requires 3 ingredients and it's super fast and super healthy. It's called as a vegan detox mint smoothie. Mint is found to be an effective remedy for an irritable bowel syndrome. That means an IBS. So anybody, if you have really issues with your gut or with digestion, please consume mint because it's highly effective.
Alright, mint has been known as using a treatment for upset stomach or for the indigestion, which means that indirectly what we're trying to say is that by using mint, we can improvise your digestion, which is the most important thing when we consume a high calorie food or a high protein diet. So make sure you use this as one of the major ingredients in your diet plan.
First we take half cup water, then I have homemade coconut milk. So I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 spoon of avocado, and lastly handful of mint leaves. Sugar free, that's an option.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
See you soon.
See you.